Welcome back, folks. We're out for Powerlines Run. We were rocking the girlfriend's new Jeep Cherokee 31s with a 318 V8 and big guy there, 37s. All right, stay tuned. All right, we're rolling out. We're gonna lay out the drone shots for a while and make some trail, go find some puddles. covered my phone. Oh, look at that down there, big swamp. Nope, go right through it. Punch it. Oh no. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Very good. So everything now is starting to get really wet. There's gravelly spots and then there's really mud spots, so it's getting interesting. Oh yes, here, let me adjust your light when you get to some clean ground to walk on. A little bit of bottoming out. You have a really big skid plate, so that's okay. You might bottom on this one, so punch it. Nice. You dodged it really well. Good job. Ooh, there was a detour, but I guess we'll take it. Hold on. See if you can, that looks bad. Yeah. Hold on. Go ahead a little bit. Take up that space. Yeah. Punch it. Left or right. Okay, we need a pull. Bump it harder.
Go ahead. Go, 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 go.
Ooh, that's a deep one. Really deep one. Nice. He's coming, I think. No. Awesome. That should be easier to hook up. Second recovery of the night. Yeah, I think it's nice there. Video of my floorboard. Oh no, yours?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Both sides.
Oh no. Oh, that sucked. Oh man. Good job, man. That looks deep.
It is deep.
Oh, we have no reverse movement or no forward movement. Yeah, we're gonna have to winch them out. Who's up front first? So I think we're gonna attach two vehicles together, just because we're dealing with really muddy ground, and then pull them like that. Should be enough to get them up and out of there. Yep. That is one rowdy hole over there. So this is what we're dealing with. Like one step and it's it's definitely a challenge. Let's see what that way looks like. Oh yeah, much better. Now we're kind of shooting in the dark. Well, that's swamp. Punch it when you get into it. Step on it. Yep. Easy, easy, because we're in the grass. Oh, now we gotta find out what's right there. Yep. That swamp. Hold on, something ain't right here. Okay, go up. See that there? Right through those two little bushes. Yeah, turn left. If we start to sink, step on it. Punch it. Good job. Straight. Rowdy, you did it. Good job. I don't know where we are. We need to head left, I think. Follow this guy's tracks. And we'll find the main road again. Oh, let's not blind everybody now. Highway. Yeah, straddle it. Oh! Back up as best as you can, and then we're going to punch it. Nope. Is it in four wheel?
Yes.
Can you go in first? Driving, steering out. Punch it. Nope. Back up. Steer straight again. Yep. That's it. We definitely need a quick pull. Oh shit. Go! Perfect. That was a deep one. All right, so we have some electrical problems with the other Jeep there. It's hurting. Okay, forward and steering my way a bit. Yep. Okay, nope, we're into it now. Back up again. Steer the opposite way. Good. Okay, steer straight again. Perfect. Hey, good job. That was fun. Yeah, we'll see how Tyler's making out up there, and then we'll figure out what's going on. So out of the middle there, some side-by-sides. Just gonna catch the side-by-sides on video there for you. They had some pretty cool blue lights, but they made it by. Anyway, we're hanging here in the trail. The Jeep Cherokee there is losing all sorts of power after its little dip, so it's required 3 or 4 boosts now. And we're trying to get up out of this ditch and get onto the highway, which is where the big Jeep is. He's made the trail, but hidden in this grass is all sorts of major ruts, so it's been a bit of a challenge. We're still waiting. They have no power, so their electrical is not in good shape. All right, we're moving. Give him some room, yeah? More room? Oh, that's what, damn it. Yeah. It looks like an accident, but we're actually having fun. Yeah. There we go. What the heck is that? A screwdriver to jump my starter. Starter key. Okay, we're in neutral whenever you're ready, bud. Good pull. Quick jump. Another one. That's right, starter key. Yeah. So we're gonna hook up a strap to Tyler's Jeep. We got it running just to pull him that last little bit of the way. He seems to be in limp mode basically. And we're gonna call her a night. So we got the strap hooked up. Give him a quick jump again. Hopefully. Spark on the battery? That's a good question too. One sec. Keep going, lots of room. Okay, attention, go, go. Go, 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 go. Pull him to the side, past Stefan. Keep going, he's dead. Yeah, pull him to the side of the road. You got her. He's off to the side now. Good job, guys. Go ahead. Nice and slow. Stop, stop, stop. And a safe trailer ride home. All right, we're done for the night. Signing off.